Mr. Bud? Why should you do sock, Mr. Bud? Is that the one I just took off? Is it? Give it back. Give it. Give it back. Mr. Bud. Give it. Look at Cora. Oh. Oh no. I know. Mr. Bud. So I got this box from my company, and what essentially it is a box full of basically snacks and treats and other kinds of food, and then there's paper bags in there that you're supposed to decorate, and the point is you decorate the bags, you fill them up with the treats or the snacks in there, and then you take them to a local charity. So it's a lazy Sunday, and I don't have much going on except maybe watch some football later. But yeah, that's what it made me doing. It's such a fun thing. I'm seriously so glad they sent these stencils, because I'm supposed to draw in addition to like write positive messages on the bags, and I would have not known what to write in there, so, or what to draw in there, I should say. So these are gonna be good. And they sent markers, which is awesome. All right, let's get started. Cookie, you're gonna help me? Is there one decided to go sit in front of the camera? Mr. Bud, careful with the bags, Mr. Bud, careful. Oh my goodness. Cookie. Okay, so I started with a stencil and it was looking great, and then I tried to go rogue with a stocking. And it didn't really work out for me. I know, Mr. Bud, it's awful. But, oh God, it's just for fun. I'm gonna try to add like a cute little message up top, or maybe here in the bottom where I have some space. Oh God. It's okay. It looks pretty cute. The tree came out cute. I think I'm gonna stick with the tree in this stencils.
Andrea has almost finished her project.
Yeah, I did all these. Some came out better than others. Like this one I actually really like.
I like the airplane one better.
Yeah, I got a few airplane ones actually. I made this like peppermint. I don't know, I was trying to make it like Christmassy because some of these stencils are just not great. I mean, they're great, they're just like not holiday themed. So I ended up doing like this duck and like just put a head on it, but it's not my best work.
Well, you haven't hardly looked up for like 2 hours.
Yeah, well, I'm almost done. I just have to finish like 2 bags, and then just fill them up, and then we're ready.
Woot woot.
And they threw in 2 extra Bugles bags. Woo! Justin's looking at me back there like I'm crazy. Oh, well, they did, so I'm very excited. Shifa, you come help me? Are you coming to help me? No? Okay. You're just coming to watch. Alright. Justin's helping out while watching football.
While watching Dan Bailey miss field goals.
It's quite devastating, I have to agree. Well, they're all packed up and ready to go, and I'm excited. I now have to figure out where I have to take them, but should be fun.